Okay, I'm gonna label this. I wanna do a Y2K cutesy alien. Okay, I actually filmed how I did my brows, so that's part of the Halloween Basics series. It's actually baking right now, and let's do this. So I am using, and this is very, very pricey, but remember, I do a lot of Halloween looks and my whole job is makeup. Highly recommend this. This was white. I need to get another one, but I'm mixing it just to lighten it. This is from Makeup Forever. This is a very expensive palette, but I will say, listen, I have options. I have used these, and these are just from Spirit, and I have this one and this one, and they're wonderful, especially if you're only gonna do one Halloween look once a year. So, but remember, this is my job, so I don't mind investing in things like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna finish. This brush is a prototype, but for this kind of face paint, a short, dense brush is going to be your best bet. And I will say, don't use your most beloved brushes when it comes to intense, heavy Halloween makeup like this. Just don't. Just don't. I don't. I use brushes that I enjoy and I know they work well, but sometimes I'm unsure of formulas and they can ruin brushes. This intense, heavy, glued down, wild, staining, out of control, good time, isn't really best for using your most beloved brushes. So I'm still gonna use an eye base. This right here will be okay. It'll be all right to mix in. In fact, I might actually wipe this off. Also, if you're doing Halloween looks, you are absolutely positively going to need a makeup eraser. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I use one every single day, but for Halloween, please just get yourself an original makeup eraser. They're machine washable, fantastic. It's also gonna get this glue out of my brows like that. I'll use a cleansing balm and then I'll use that. It'll come right off. I won't even lose one brow hair. So this base right here is from City Color. We love this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over my lid. Wonderful. This is the shade Minty. It's gonna be perfect. I think I wanna do like a double wing situation. I have so many fun ideas. I'm already loving this eyebrow, and then I'm gonna add a jewel. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so much fun. I am gonna have to take a break in between here because I will need to get up and walk around, but this is gonna take me a second. Okay, let's just even out that eyeshadow base all over our lid. We'll finish off the rest of the face later, but let's just do something with the eyes real quickly. All right, so this color is going to be absolutely perfect. I'm gonna grab that on the tip of an E28. And I'm gonna start here. Remember, we have so much more real estate right now because our eyebrows are much higher than usual. So I'm gonna start here, the bridge of my nose. And remember, we're an extraterrestrial Y2K pop princess. Our makeup's gonna be wild. Just press that along. I'll finish this eyebrow in a second. It's actually really easy. Okay, so I just want a really diffused look. I've just been sitting here shading, having a lot of fun. We're gonna add a bunch of shimmers too, very Y2K, lots of brow shimmer, all kinds of good shimmers. I'm excited. I have a love-hate relationship with October. This kind of makeup isn't my favorite, but it challenges me. And I love to be challenged. I love it. So now we're gonna grab a C30 and we can use it with this. We can use one of our really good brushes with this. I've used it before. It's really just the face paint part. The eye part, you can just use your regular brushes. Nothing new there. This is the color, oh, it's so pretty. It's called Limesicle, Danessa Myricks Color Fix. And I'm just using that all over my lid. We're gonna do so much layering because I want so much dimension. But we'll start with this. And like always, I'm going to leave my lash line bare. And it's okay if you kind of melt it in. I didn't want this to be a cut crease. I want all of it to kind of mesh. So for my brows, I'm gonna use this pin here from West Barn & Co. And I'm just drawing little tiny hairs and obviously keeping it super Y2K thin and super dark. Honestly, it reminds me of Flapper Girl brows too. I love it. Now I'm gonna grab this Surratt shadow, and it's a green kind of translucent shadow. So this one's very pricey, but that's all it is. We're just looking for something green, but still where you can see through it. Let's go ahead and layer that all over our lid. This look is all about layering shimmers. And then I'm gonna do some here on my brow bone as well, but just right in the center. Okay, I probably would have just used this instead. This is from Carla Cosmetics. It's one of the loose pigments in the shade Sweet Dreams. So stunning. And I'm still gonna layer one more thing. I know it's a lot, but this is not an everyday look. Now we're gonna do wing liner just like we always do. I'm having so much fun. I know it's a lot, but let me create. So Danessa Myricks Chrome Flakes, this is Firefly, and I'm just applying that with the side of the E27. And then I'll just take whatever's left and just put it there. Let's grab this matte Chromaline. This is pure white, and I'm just gonna grab an angled brush, and I'm just going to tap that onto my waterline. So pigmented. I'm gonna grab it on the center of the brush now and extend it underneath here. This is such easy cleanup, so you can get a little wild with this if you want to, because we can just clean it up with the green. All right, we're gonna use these lashes, and once I get the lashes on, I'm gonna take a little 10-minute break. It's a lot, y'all. It's so much fun, but it's a lot. I'm gonna walk around because my leg is going to sleep. I'm excited for these lashes. So I went ahead and just cleaned up underneath there with the green, just like we would concealer. Let's add our beautiful lash. We're doing a half lash, and these are the Tess collabs. So pretty. They're perfect. I love them. Let's clamp it together. All right, I'm gonna take a little break because I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna even do my hands. I'm gonna paint everything, so I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, and then I'll be back to finish. This is so much fun. I'm back. Let's paint ourselves green. We're gonna do a different lip color, and then we're even gonna do pink blush, but we have to lay this down first. And it's hair washing day, so I'm going all the way into my hairline. I am just going to get into the shower and lather up. I'm gonna go all the way in my ears. I wanna take a real picture of this look, so I'm trying to really be authentic here. I actually went and found an old C41 prototype, and I'm just going to bring the green down this way. I'll do my hands last. I ain't got time for all that. So I'm out of the white in the Makeup Forever, but this one's actually really good. This is from Wet n Wild. These are so affordable. And this is gonna be the highlight underneath our eyes. And I'll just do the rest of the highlighting with powder. But I definitely wanted a really bright under eye. And then I'm gonna blend it with the one that already has the green on it. Down the nose. So fun, right? So I'm gonna use this She Glam powder. I love this powder, by the way. I normally don't use the translucent though, but we're gonna use it today because we really want to bake this under eye, make it really bright. Baking is normally way too heavy for me, but what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use it to continue to shape the face. It's going to brighten this area so much that I'm not going to have to really contour too much. I'm gonna take whatever's left here, press it here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of the center. I think we might use, I'm trying to decide on how I wanna do the blush, but let's leave it like that for a second. All right, we're gonna do a little trick. We're gonna grab pink powder, and this is gonna start our blush. Perfect. It's little things like these that transition everything together. So we're gonna use this blush. This is from Beauty Creations. Beauty Creations, I'm too excited, I can't talk. It's in the shade Mood. We definitely wanted just a very true pink. Isn't that pretty? So much fun! Grabbing that Valentina liner again. And I'm just gonna line underneath the white. Remember that first shade? Let's grab that again. Smudge this underneath here. So we're gonna do some stones. We're over the top, just over the top. Amazon, this is a nail art tool, and then these are all from Amazon as well. Okay, I switched over to just the regular rhinestones. I didn't like the way the other ones looked. And I have my Duo Line It Lash It on, just lash glue, and I'm just gonna start placing them. Fun, fun. Let's take a little bit of lash glue on our brow, and then I'm gonna pick up a larger rhinestone, place it in the center here. So we're gonna do brown lip liner, and then I wanna do a frosty pink lip. Let's start with this. The lip is really gonna pull all this together. I need to fix my frowlers. My frowlers are just running away. Goodness me. So I actually have been saving this frosty pink lipstick. I feel like this was around in the year 2000. This is Wet n Wild lipstick in dark pink frost. It's perfect. I feel like I had this. Oh, I love. I went ahead and put this baby pink gloss on top. I feel like early 2000 was gloss. It was glossy. I was there. We were glossy. So I am going to set all of this. I'm going to put on some jewelry. So I want to set for sure where that jewelry is going to go. This is exactly how I envisioned it. This is so much fun. Oh, this necklace is from the Sparkle NYC. So I'm actually just gonna do one arm because I am gonna need one hand to touch my phone or I will be a greasy mess. I'm gonna do that off camera. I think I might take real pictures of this look. It's really cool. Everything turned out so nice. Went ahead and added earrings, also from the Sparkle NYC. I remember having these exact hoops in like 2001. This is fun. All right, I'm gonna finish my arm, take all the pics, and I will definitely save this to my highlights, not that any of you want to recreate it. In case you do, it's here. I will say this eye look might be one of my faves. It's absolutely beautiful. I love you all so much. Thank you for putting up with my creativity. Some days I just need to be creative. It helps me even with the most simple of looks. This level of creativity helps me help you even more. So thank you very much. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the comments tonight.